Hello and welcome to this video about how to build a Dalton workspace with PRO Suite package. So here I have a NinjaTrader up and running. The first thing to do is to create a new workspace. So you click on Workspaces and you click on New here at the bottom right. And you enter the name for your workspace. I would recommend something like PRO Suite dash and the name of your instrument that you want to trade. Yes, for example. Okay, so I'm going to click on OK. And now if I look under the workspaces, I see that I am working on my new workspace that I just created, PRO Suite ES. And obviously right now this workspace is empty. So we're going to need to add 4 charts to this workspace to create what I call the Dalton template, the Dalton workspace, sorry. So first of all, I'll give you an example with a market that everybody or almost everybody trades, the E-mini S&P ES futures. So I'm going to add 4 charts. We're going to create the first chart with the new button, chart. I'm going to choose my symbol, which is ES0917. And when you create charts with to build a Dalton workspace, you have to take care only of 3 elements. The first is the data series here, okay? And under the type, you have, because we will be creating the market profile chart, we will choose a minute. And under value, make sure that it is 30, because we want to have a 30-minute chart to display the profiles. So this is the first element. You have to set the type and value, 30 minutes. Second things, under the time frame category, days to load. So you have to load that based on days. And I recommend 25. You can go higher if you want, but I recommend 25 days for the market profile at a minimum. So that's about it. You do not touch anything else on that window here. So you set the type minute, 30, and just to make sure that you load data based on days, and you set 25 to the days to load. After that, the only thing is that you have to apply the template, and you go right at the top here of this window where it is showing the load template only. So you click on that, and when you downloaded PRO Suite from the website or from a download link, automatically the downloader puts these templates into your PC. So they're ready to go. So you have templates for bonds, templates for currencies, templates for energy, template for stock and ETF, templates for stocks futures for PRO Suite. So because we are looking for a stock futures with ES, we're going to choose a stock futures template, market profile. So PRO Suite stock futures, market profile, and you just click on OK. And that's it. You're gonna have your chart here. I'm gonna put it on the left side of the screen like that. Let's put the Dalton template. All right. Okay, so we have created successfully our first chart, and it's as easy as that for the other ones. So the next one that we have to build is a daily chart. So we click on New Chart. Again, I'm going to choose Yes. Now, under the type, I let it minute. Value, I'm going to change it to 1440. Why I'm not instead choosing the day, for example, and instead of the minute? It's because certain data vendor like Kinetic, for example, they are not displaying that session day chart the right way. You've got a problem. If you use the day type, you're gonna have problem. With minute, if you choose minute and you put 1440, this is exactly the same thing as the pit session chart for all data vendors. So for the day chart, you as a type, you choose minute, value 1440. We load again data based on days, and here instead of 25, because I need a little bit more historical bars on the daily chart, by default, I will put 100, but it's up to you. But by default, I put 100. I go at the top again to apply the templates. And this time I'm going to choose the PRO Suite Stock Futures Day Chart template. And I'm going to click on OK. And here it is. We got the day chart that I will just put here. All right. Now, the third chart to create is a weekly chart. So I'm going to choose New again, Chart. I'm going to apply Yes. Now I'm going to choose Week. We leave the value at 1 for the longer term chart. And under the time frame, the load database always on days. And by default, they put 1825, and that's fine. You just leave it as it is, 1825. And you go up there, and you choose now the PRO Suite Stock Futures Long-Term Chart template. And you click on OK. So here, you have the weekly chart. It's really, really, really easy to create the Dalton workspace. It's just that you have to know how to do it. Now we're going to create the last chart, which is the monthly chart. Again, new chart. I'm going to select yes. And now instead of week, we're going to put month as the type. I'm going to leave the value at 1. And by default, the NinjaTrader sets for monthly chart the default the days to load at 5475. Maybe that's a bit too much. You can leave it at 5475, but I prefer to just put the same number of days as I have put for the weekly chart, so 1825. And we go up and we choose again the PRO Suite Stock Futures long-term chart template, and we click on OK. And that's it. You have just created your Dalton workspace worksheet. It's as easy as that. So now you can set the chart the way you want on your screen. I always like to see all the 4 charts at the same time because I have a big screen, but it's up to you. You can have only the profile chart on and the other charts are minimized. It's up to you. But I just love to have all the informations on the same screen at the same time to take my trading decisions. But it is up to you. So you can do that for any kind of market that NinjaTrader can accept. So, for example, you can put a stock, and you're going to use the stock ETF templates. You can put the euro currency futures. You're going to use the currency templates, currency futures template, and the same thing for bonds. You have a bond template. So it should apply all markets in its specific class should use about the same properties. So it should be fine for all market in the same class. If you have to change something, sometimes it could be, for example, the Dalton tail or poor extreme ticks. Or the decimals maybe, but usually the decimals is the same. For example, yes, it is 2 decimal, and it is the same thing for Nasdaq or Russell. But if there are difference, you may have an adjustment to do that. But mainly, it's going to be around setting, the number of ticks for Dalton tails. Or sorry, the Dalton poor extremes, or the decimal. But other than that, it should work for all asset class with these templates. So that's about it for how to build your Dalton template with PRO Suite package. So thank you very much for watching this video, and see you next time.